one. There's another one, guys. Hey guys, another video of mine. We're here and alive once again. Another Keycap reveal. This one's a bit of a surprise because I didn't particularly pay for this one, but it came in as a gift and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Not what I was expecting because it was before the time I was born. I would say my first ever video game, or at least portable video game at that time. It's probably Pokemon Ruby. But here we have Pokemon Fire. Charizard! Now, this is really out of the box of my themes, so I might have to store it in the collection box. But I am happy that I have received it. Thank you so much. It's a little bit rough around the edges. You can tell a little rushness was involved, and it's all just a mere sticker on top, isn't it? But I do appreciate the effort. I appreciate the Nintendo Gameboy infringement there, but all this is for a piece of plastic. It's quite interesting. Yeah, this one I'll rate a little bit down below as opposed to the other ones, because this should not be costing the same as the other ones, because there's no craftsmanship in this, as opposed to just printing out a plastic piece and putting a sticker on top. It's Nintendo. But yeah, the level of... I wish I got in the blue, but you know, this is nice. I like this. But thank you so much, Mr. Vendor. Thank you so much. I shall keep this in my collection. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and thank you so much. Cheers.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?